Using WhatsApp Business as your network to engage your customers has been a popular trend lately. But what will it be when your business scale up and WhatsApp Business only can be accessed by 2 admins at the same time? Should you add your WhatsApp number up until 2, 3, or even more? You need something smarter than that. In Qiscus, we make WhatsApp Business scalable by only using one single account, but accessible by even hundreds of staff. Now, you can engage your customer more efficiently through WhatsApp, ensure fast responses, and better customer satisfaction. Well, not just via WhatsApp, Qiscus is able to scale your customer service beyond WhatsApp. Your customers can now chat with your business via whatever channel they prefer, like Facebook Messenger, Line, and many more. Need to add more staff? No sweat at all. Add staff easily as your business scales. And yes, don't worry about how customer inquiries will be channeled to your team. Turn on the auto agent allocation feature, and Qiscus will distribute the inquiries to your available staff. As you scale, Qiscus Bot Human Handover feature can facilitate repetitive questions to be handled by chatbots and hand over the complex questions to humans. And there are many other features that can help provide the best customer experience to your customers. From assist your business in tracking what matters, chat templates to speed up responses to customers, or even tags to help identify the type of help your customers needs. At Qiscus, we believe in the power of conversation. Do you?